Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Okay, if design tools actually made us instantly creative, we'd all be shipping award-winning apps instead of Googling best UI inspiration at midnight. Anyway, let's jump straight into pricing. Lunacy takes a very generous approach. Lunacy is completely free to use, with no subscription required for its core design features. You can install it on Windows, macOS or Linux and access vector design, UI tools and assets without paying a cent. There are optional paid elements like cloud storage, AI-powered features and team collaboration add-ons, but the core editor itself remains free. For comparison, Figma follows a freemium, subscription-based pricing model. Figma offers a free plan with limited team and project capabilities, while paid plans unlock advanced collaboration, version history, permissions, and organization-level controls. This means Lunacy appeals strongly to solo designers, students, and budget-conscious users, while Figma positions itself as a scalable, team-first design platform. Now let's talk about what Lunacy actually does. Lunacy is a modern vector design and UI tool built with speed and accessibility in mind. It supports interface design, wireframes, icons, illustrations, and basic prototyping. One of Lunacy's biggest advantages is that it works fully offline, which is rare among modern design tools. You don't need a constant internet connection to design, which makes it reliable in low connectivity environments. Lunacy also includes built-in assets like icons, illustrations, photos, and UI kits, reducing the need to constantly import external resources. It supports real-time collaboration when connected, cloud documents, and compatibility with sketch files, making it easier to collaborate across ecosystems. Performance is another strong point. Lunacy is lightweight, fast to launch, and runs smoothly even on modest hardware. Another area where Lunacy quietly stands out is how it lowers friction for non-designers. Product managers, marketers, and founders who don't live inside design tools can still open Lunacy and make quick edits without feeling lost. Because the interface stays lightweight and familiar, tasks like updating copy, swapping images, or adjusting layouts don't require deep design knowledge. This makes Lunacy especially useful in small teams where designers aren't always available for every minor change. Lunacy also benefits from being desktop first rather than browser first. Files open instantly, performance stays consistent, and you're not dependent on server availability or internet speed to keep working. For long design sessions, this can feel noticeably more stable and focused than cloud-only tools. Designers who value uninterrupted flow often appreciate this difference, especially when working on large files or traveling. The interface is clean and familiar, especially for designers coming from Sketch or Figma. Tools for shapes, vectors, text, grids, constraints, and components are easy to understand. Lunacy also integrates AI-assisted features such as background removal, image upscaling, and placeholder generation, which can speed up everyday design tasks. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, Lunacy is free, fast, cross-platform, and surprisingly capable. Offline access and built-in assets make it extremely convenient, especially for freelancers and students. On the downside, Lunacy's ecosystem is smaller. Advanced prototyping, complex animations, and deep third-party integrations are limited compared to Figma. Large teams may find collaboration features less mature. Still, for zero cost, Lunacy delivers impressive value. Now let's move on to Figma, which takes a very different collaboration-first approach to design. Figma is a cloud-based interface design and prototyping platform built for teams working together in real time. Everything runs in the browser or desktop app, allowing designers, developers, and stakeholders to collaborate simultaneously on the same file. This real-time multiplayer editing is one of Figma's defining features and a major reason for its popularity. Figma supports UI design, wireframing, prototyping, design systems, and developer handoff. Features like components, variants, auto layout, and shared libraries allow teams to maintain consistency across large products. Designers can build responsive layouts, reuse components efficiently, and update designs across multiple files instantly. Prototyping tools allow for interactive flows, transitions, and basic animations without leaving the platform. Another reason Figma has become a standard in modern product teams is how deeply it connects design with the rest of the product workflow. Figma isn't just a design tool, it's a shared communication space. Designers, developers, product managers, and stakeholders can all view, comment, and collaborate in real time without exporting files or scheduling review meetings. This dramatically reduces feedback delays and misunderstandings, especially in remote or distributed teams. Figma's version history is another major strength. Every change is tracked automatically, allowing teams to review past iterations, restore previous versions, and understand how designs evolved over time. This safety net encourages experimentation because designers don't have to worry about losing work. Combined with branching and permissions on higher plans, Figma supports structured collaboration at scale without sacrificing speed. Figma also plays a crucial role in design systems. Teams can centralize components, styles, and tokens in shared libraries, ensuring consistency across products and platforms. When a component is updated, changes can be pushed across multiple files instantly. This makes Figma especially powerful for growing companies, where maintaining brand and UI consistency becomes increasingly difficult as teams expand. Another major strength is Figma's ecosystem. Thousands of plugins extend functionality for icons, content generation, accessibility checks, design tokens, and workflow automation. Developers benefit from inspect mode, CSS, and code snippets, and easy asset export. Stakeholders can comment directly on designs, reducing feedback loops and miscommunication. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Figma excels at collaboration, scalability, and workflow efficiency. It's ideal for product teams, agencies, and companies building design systems at scale. On the downside, Figma requires an internet connection for full functionality, and costs increase as teams grow. Some users also prefer desktop first or offline tools for focused work. In terms of ratings, both Lunacy and Figma generally receive positive user feedback. Trustpilot data may be limited or inconsistent, especially for tools primarily reviewed on design-focused platforms, so ratings should be treated as general sentiment rather than definitive scores. Final takeaway, choose Lunacy if you want a fast, free, offline-capable design tool with built-in assets and solid UI features. Choose Figma if you need powerful real-time collaboration, scalable design systems, and a massive plugin ecosystem. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel, and click the link below to access the software and choose the tool that fits your design workflow best.